In today's digital marketing world, reaching the right audience effectively is crucial. Google's responsive display ads are a game changer for marketers who want the ads to work smarter, not harder. But what makes RDAs so special? One key benefit is that they automatically create ads that fit all ad slots sizes. Imagine you're managing a campaign with limited resources. You might not have the time or tools to design separate ads for every placement or screen size. RDAs simplify this process by taking the creative assets you provide, like images, headlines, and descriptions, and combining them in different ways. This ensures that your ads look great whether it's on a large desktop screen or a small mobile device. The flexibility of RDAs allows your ads to show up across a wide range of placements on the Google Display Network. This means your ads can reach more potential customers without you having to manually resize or adjust designs. It's like having a personal assistant who does the heavy lifting for you, ensuring your brand is seen everywhere it needs to be. Another great feature of RDAs is that you can upload your creative assets. This gives you control over how your brand is represented while still benefiting from Google's automations. By providing high-quality visuals and compelling copy, you're setting your ads up for success. Responsive display ads are all about saving time while maximizing reach. By automatically adjusting to fit any ad space and allowing you to use your creative assets, RDAs give marketers the best of both worlds. If you're looking to expand your online presence efficiently, RDAs are worth considering. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need help with your Google Ads, join my coaching program, Google Ads Like a Boss, where I help you avoid expensive mistakes and get your campaigns done profitably. Thank you and see you in the next one.